Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all, dear students? I am here again with the new quiz video for you all, as promised in my previous video. So let's start the quiz. Musta'idda? Are you ready for the quiz? So quiz is called Musabaqa in Arabic. Quiz is called Musabaqa. Musabaqa, quiz. I think you all know that the quiz is about what? Yes, it's about the kitchenware. It's about the kitchenware we have discussed in our last video. Let's start. Okay, so I have a surprise at the end of the video. So watch the whole video for the surprise. Okay, so let's start. What is this? Kitchen. What do we say? Kitchen in Arabic. Mahada. Mahada means what is this? Hada means this. And ma means what. Mahada. What is this? Matbah. Hada. Matbah. Jayed. Well done. Fridge. Mahada. What do we say fridge in Arabic? Tick tock, tick tock. Yes. What do we say? Thalaja. Excellent. Thalaja. Okay, so the next is mixer. Mahada. Mixer. Mahada. Khallata. Excellent. It's khallata. What's coming next? Oven. What do we say? Oven in Arabic. Mahada. Furn. Jayed. Oven is called furn. Well done. MashaAllah. So the next is plate. What do we say plate in Arabic? We have the singular and plural, both words for plate. So what do we say the singular, the plate in Arabic? Sahnun. Jayed. Sahnun. And what's the plural? Suhoon. It's suhoon. Jayed. Fork. Mahada. Mahada bil Arabiya. What do we say it in Arabic? Mahada bil Arabiya. Shawka. Shawka. And what's the plural? Ma huwa al-jam'? What's the plural? Ashwaq. Shawka. Jam'uhu, its plural is ashwaq. Dish or tray. Mahada. Mahada bil Arabiya. Tabaq. Jayyid. Well done. Tabaq. And what's the plural? Atbaq. Excellent. It's atbaq. What's coming next? Yes, knife. What do we say? A singular knife. Mahada. Hada. Sikeen. Jayed. Hada sikeen. And what's the plural? Knives. What do we say knives in Arabic? Sakakeen. Yes, it's sakakeen. MashaAllah. Spoon. Mahaza. Mahada. ملعقة. ملعقة. جيد. هذه ملعقة. And what's the plural? ما هو الجمع? ملاعق. الجمع ملائق. Cups. We have two words for cups. ما هذا? ما هذا بالعربية? What were the two words? جيد. كوب and finjan. And what do we say and in Arabic? Wow. Koob wa finjan. What's the plural of hoop? Yes, it's akwab. And what's the plural of finjan? Fanajin. Akwab and fanajin. Glass. ما هذا؟ ما هذا بالعربية؟ كأس. Yes, it's كأس. And what's the plural? ما هو الجمع؟ كؤوس. الجمع هو كؤوس. frying pan. ما هذا؟ ما هذا بالعربية؟ مقلاة. جيد. هذا مقلاة. pot. Cooking pot. What do we say? pot. ما هذا بالعربية؟ قدر. جيد. ما شاء الله. Well done. قدر. You all have
amazing memory.
ما شاء الله وتبارك الله. You all have done very well, mashallah. Barakallahu feekum. May Allah give barakah in your knowledge. Okay, so if you are having any problem in learning these words, go through the videos again and try to repeat all the words 5 times and try to write it in any rough copy or somewhere to learn these vocabulary, and inshallah you will be able to learn the vocabulary. Okay, so now I have the surprise for you as promised in the beginning of the video. So the surprise is yes, وقت النشاط عبر الشبكة. It's time for the online activity. I'm sharing some links for the online activities in the description box. Go check out the description box and click on the links, and there you will find the online activities. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.